Alright, good day. I am Engineer Tolentino and I'm going to do an extension of my previous video about this brine problem. Okay, but this time, the amount that will be entering is also the same as the amount that is leaving, but it is not pure water, but it is also brine. Okay, so let me start by reading the problem. Okay, a brine contains 100 gallons of brine with 5 pounds of dissolved salt. Okay, brine at the concentration of 2 pounds per gallon enters a tank at the rate of 3 gallons per minute, and the solution well stirred leaves at the same rate. What is the amount of salt in the tank after 7 minutes, and when will there be 70 pounds of salt in the tank? Now let me generalize this. Okay, I derived the formula for this. Okay, now if you have a tank here, okay, and initially it contains x sub of pounds of salt and v gallons of brine. Okay, and then brine is entering at a gallons per minute at a concentration of b pounds per gallon, and at the same time it is leaving at a gallons per minute. Look at the mathematical model. If x is the amount of salt remaining at any time, then x is represented by Vb. Notice that the initial volume is just multiplied by the concentration, that is what? That is coming in, and then subtracted to, again this is Vb, minus the initial amount times e to the minus a. A is the amount that is entering or leaving, divided by v times t. So in this case, our x, our mathematical model is, we just multiply the volume. The volume is 100, and then the concentration is what? 2 pounds per gallon. 2 minus, multiply this, that is 200, minus, what is the initial amount of salt? That is 5 pounds. Then e to the minus a. Our a entering is what? Is 3 gallons per minute. Okay, divided by the volume of 100, and then just insert a t. This is our model, or x is just 200 minus 195 e to the minus 0.03t. Now this can be written as 200 minus x is equal to 195 e to the negative 0.03t. Now this can now be modeled in the calculator as y is a e to the bx, okay, where your y is this 200 minus x, and then your a is 195, and your e to the bx is e to the negative 0.03t. Now we are now prepared to solve this problem. Now go to the calculator or enter mode 35. When x is 0, just input this value there, which is 195, and then you need to get another point. When x is 1, this is the easiest number, just input 195, and then e to the e to the negative 0.03. Look, I just substituted it here in this equation. So we have now completed this model. Now we are now prepared. What is the amount of salt in the tank after 7 minutes? All you have to do is to enter clear and enter 7 sheep 155, and then subtract this to 200. So subtract this to 200, because that is our model, minus answer gives you that 41 point. This gives you that 41.93 pounds. And then when will there be 70 pounds of salt? So all you have to do is to subtract 200 minus 70. Look at the model, and then shift 154. Okay, so you get the answer. This is 13.51, not pounds, but this is in minutes. Okay.